Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We completed the lesson, so we're gonna start from here. So this is the fail bada yabda'u to begin. So the tabda'u darasatu fi shahri September. So I have circled the file here. Uh, the studies begin in the month of September. So ad-darasatu is the file. Bada at-talibu bit-ta'ami summa shayi. The student began uh, food with the food bit-ta'ami summa shayi. Then tea. He started from the food and then he drank tea. So at-talibu, this is the file, and you see here is tabda'u, not yabda'u, because yabda'u comes for huwa. For hiya it changes to tabda'u. So, and this darasatu is a feminine. It has this ta marbuta at the end. So that is why this is hiya version is used here. There is another verb, takallama yatakallamu, to speak. Yatakallamu talibu al-lughat al-injiliziyata. The student speaks the English language. So at-talibu is the file. Takallam al-mudiru ila tullabi. The manager spoke to the students. Takallama tullabu ma'al mudarrisi. The students at-tullabu takallama, the students spoke with the teacher. Takallama Kamalun anid darasati fil mahadi. Kamal spoke about the studies in the institute. So you see the file, they all rafa form. U and un. So file is always rafa. Akhaza yakhuzu, to take. Akhaza Yusufu al-kitaba min Muhammadin. So Yusuf took the book. Al-kitaba is ba, is maful bihi, min Muhammadin, from Muhammad. Akhaza talibu al-qawaida anil mudarrisi. The student took the rules about the teacher. At-talibu, this is the file. Akhaza al-waladu yatakallamu. The boy started talking. So al-waladu is the file. Akhazahun naumu, the sleep took him. Overtook him or took him. Akhaza biyadihi. Akhaza, in this case the file is mustatir, hidden. He took his hand. Or you can say he took with his hand. And the other verb is dakhala yadkhulu, to enter. Ad-dakhala talibu al-fasla. The student entered the class. So al-fasla is maful bihi. Dakhala al-mudarrisu al-fasla ala-tullabi. The teacher entered the classroom ala-tullabi, with the students. Dakhala Muhammadun fi hiwarin. Muhammad entered into a dialogue. Hawar means dialogue. So those were some new verbs. This we have gone through it. Okay, so yeah, let's revise this. That for this is for zahaba, both past tense and present tense. So for ana, zahaba becomes changes to zahabtu, where tu is the file. This is the damirul file fil madi. So this is the pronoun for the file. So when you see tu, that means I went. Nahnu zahabna. So na is the file. Anta zahabta. So ta is the file. Zahabna, we went. Zahabta, you went. You masculine. Anti zahabti, you feminine went. So ti is the file. Antuma zahabtuma, you both went. Masculine or feminine. Antum zahabtum, you all went. So tum is the file, tuma is the file. Antunna, you all feminine went. Zahabtunna, so antunna is the file. Huma, zahaba or zahabata for two masculine is going to be zahaba, for two feminine is going to be zahabata, but the file is this alif or musanna, the file alif of dual. This ta is just to show that this is the feminine. This represents the feminine, that it is for here, two feminine, but the file is only alif. Hum zahabu, waw is the file, alif is not the file, alif is separator, so is written like this, but waw is the file. Hum zahabu, hunna zahabna, so this noon is the file. So out of these all pronouns, only these two pronouns huwa or here, they don't show their file. The file will come after, or we will say huwa or here. I mean, he went or she went. If the file does not come after, then the inside file takes over. So that was the past tense, and for the present tense, for ana, does not have any visible file. So ana azhabu, the file is in this case is hidden, just like in these two cases. In fail mudare there are like about 5 cases, 5 cases where the file is hidden. Azhabu, I went, I go, this is the present tense. Nahnu nazhabu, we go. Anta tazhabu, you go. Anti tazhabina, so here, from here we can see the file, ya is the file, tazhabina, you feminine go. Antuma tazhabani, alif is the file. Antum tazhabuna, waw is the file. You go, you feminine, anti. Antuma, you both go. Tazhabuna, you all go. Tazhabna, you all. This tazhabuna is for masculine, waw is the file. Tazhabna, you all feminine, you all go. So noon is the file. Huwa yazhabu, he goes. Hiya tazhabu, she goes. So file is mustatir, no file. Huma yazhabani or tazhabani, for masculine is yazhabani, feminine is tazhabani, alif is the file. Hum yazhabuna, waw is the file. They go. Hunna yazhabna, so they all masculine go, they all feminine go. So hunna, so noon is the file. So this is the table for the past tense and the present tense, only for the three root letters. Okay, so now we're gonna start the exercises. At-tadribat. As-su'alul awwalu. Uktubil ijaba. Write the answers. So, mata tabda'u darasatu fi mahadil lughatil arabiyyati. when the studies begin in the Institute of the Arabic Language, uh, the studies begin in September. So I have the note here. تبدأ الدراسة في معهد اللغة العربية في معهد اللغة العربية uh, it should be عربية في معهد اللغة العربية في سبتمبر in September. متى تبدأ الدروس when uh, the lessons begin. I think they begin 8 o'clock. So تبدأ الدروس في الثامنة. The lessons they begin 8 o'clock. Okay, next question is حضرة طلابي من بلاد مختلفة ما هي? The students come from from different countries. What are those? Those are Italia, Hispania, Korea, Argentina. So those countries the student came from. هل يتكلم الطلاب اللغة العربية? Do they speak Arabic language? The students they come who have come from different countries, what language they speak? The question is, do they speak Arabic language? No, they don't speak Arabic, but they speak الطلاب يتكلمون اللغة الإنجليزية والإيطالية والفرنسية. So they speak English language or Italian language or French language. ما اللغة التي يتكلمها المدير? What is the language that the principal or the manager he speaks? He spoke to كلموها المدير that he speaks. So the teacher he speaks the Arabic language. يتكلم المدير اللغة العربية. كيف يتعلم الطالب الذكي? How the intelligent student, الطالب الذكي, intelligent student, how he learns. So he learns from الطالب الذكي يتعلم في المدرسة والبيت والشارع. So he learns in the school, in the street, in the house and in the street. He learns from everywhere. ماذا تقول قصص نجيب محفوظ? So what is the story of Najib Mahfouz? What did the story tell? تقول القصص, the story says نفهم الحياة القاهرة في الشارع. We understand the life of Cairo in the street. We understand the life of the Cairo from its streets. طالب يدرس في الفصل وفي البيت وفي الشارع هل هو مجنون? A student studies in the class and in the house and in the street. هل هو مجنون? So he is not mad. He learns in the class, in the house and in the street. So he is هل هو مجنون? لا هو you can say هو طالب ذكي. السؤال الثاني رتب كما في نسي. We have to put the proper order. So there are about 7 statements. So first of all, Bada ad-darsu, the lesson begins, number 1. And then what happened? This is the past tense. The lesson, ad-darsu, ad-darsu is the file. I should mark it here. So the lesson began. First the lesson began, and then تكلمت المدرسة عن نجيب محفوظ. The lady teacher she spoke about Najib Mahfouz. And then خرج طالب من المعهد إلى الشارع. A student went out from the institute to the street. So this is the file for kharaja. Then wakala, then he said ad-darsu fil fasli wa fi shari'i, a lesson. He was actually looking for the lesson in the class and in the street. And then number 5, Samiu talibun akharu, another student heard him, wakala, and said Samituka, I heard you. So this tu is the file. I heard you, Takul, you said. Ad-darsu fi shari, the lesson in the street. Number 6, Anta majnunun, are you mad? Nadrusu fil fasli fa fil bayti wa nadrusu fi shari. We study in the class and in the house, and we study in the street. So in this case, the file is, you don't see the, I did a mark, so it's the hidden because it's for nadrusu. The file is mustatir here. Summa tarakahu, then he left him. So this is how the order should be. Aswalu salisu, question number 3. Uktubil kalimata fil makanis sahi. Put the word in the at the proper place. So these are the words. Amshi, nakhuzu, ahlan wa sahlan, munzu, yaftahu, mukhtalifatin, tadkhuluna, ad-durusu. So the example is given. Misal tabda'u ad-durusu fi sa'ati saminati. So out of this, these words, the ad-durusu, it fits in here. The lessons begin 8 o'clock. Al-mahadu, so this is yaftahu, so this comes here. Abwabahu fi sabahi, the institute opens its doors. So abwabahu is abwaba, babun, abwabun. Abwaba is maful. The institute, it opens its doors fi sabahi, in the morning. At-tullabu yahzuruna min biladin mukhtalifatin. The students come from different countries. So this is mukhtalifatin. This comes here. Ahlan wa sahlan bikum ana mudirul mahadi. Welcome to all of you, and I am the manager or principal of the institute. So this ahlan wa sahlan is can fit here. Darastu lugat al-arabiyata munzu awamin kasiratin. I studied the Arabic language for many years. So this munzu means since or for. This comes here. Antum al-ana tadkhuluna hayatan jadidatan. Now you enter into a new life. So tadkhuluna is for antum. So antum tadkhuluna. Ana amshi baitin karibun, I walk. Baiti karibun, my house is near. So amshi, this amshi is gonna come here. Nakhnu nakhuzu sayyaratan. We take we take a car, we take or a car. So nakhuzu, nahnu nakhuzu. So is nakhuzu. This is the nakhuzu. So we have used all these words. Okay, that completes question number 3. Question number 4. Aswalu rabi uktubil harf, and write the preposition. Takallamtu ma'al mudiri an drasati. I takallamtu. So I, tu is the file. So this tu is the file. I spoke with the manager, with the principal about the studies. Dakhal al-mudarrisul fasla ma'a tullabi. This is the file. The teacher entered the class. Fasla, you see, is maful, is not faslu, is fasla. Ma'a tullabi, with the students. Akhaza an yadi siddiqihi. I took hand of his friend. يتكلم المدرسون اللغة العربية. The mudarrisuna, the teacher, they speak about the Arabic language. So mudarrisuna, they speak. Yabda'u Ahmadu. Ahmad is the file here. Ahmad begins akala, eating, bil khuzari, with the vegetables, summal lahmi, then meat. So he starts from the salad first, from the vegetable, then he starts eating the meat. Akhaza Muhammadun. Muhammad took al-kitaba, maful. Muhammad took the book, min kamalin, from kamal. Okay, aswalul khamisu, aina al-khata, where is the mistake? Dakhal al-mudiru ila al-fasli. So the principal, the manager, he entered in the class. Enter in, so it should be fi, not ila. Akhaza kamalun. Kamal took an yat, it should be not ala, it should be an yata'allama lugat al-arabiyata. Kamal started learning Arabic language. Tabda'ul ijazatu biyawmil jum'ati. The vacation begins, or vacation falls on Yawmul Juma. So it should be Allah. It should be Allah, not be Yawmin. Akhaza Yusuf al-kitaba an al-mudarrasati. The Yusuf is the file here. This is the file. Ijazatu. Kamal is file here. Deer is the file here. So Yusuf took al-kitaba, is not kitabu, his maful is kitaba, has a fatha sign. Yusuf took the book from the teacher, min mudarrisati, from the lady teacher. Okay, question number 6. Sahil fail al-madi. Correct the past tense. Example, misal, ana shariba shaya. So ana, we have to use the verb that is for ana. So, and you know that Ana has the file tu. So it should be sharibtu. I drink the tea. Atullabu. So the students, those are is not one student, is two students. So is more than two students. Atullabu. So we should use the verb for whom. So huwa kharaja, huma kharaja, hum kharaju. So it should be kharaju. So it should be kharaju. This is the correct answer. Antunna katabat darsa. So for antunna, kataba is for huwa. Huwa kataba, huma kataba, hum katabu. Hiya katabat, huma katabata, antunna, hunna katabna, anta katabta, antuma katabtuma, antum katabtum, anti katabti, antuma katabtuma, antunna katabtunna. So this should be katabtunna darsa. They all wrote the lesson. All katabhunna, antunna. So this is for the plural, for plural feminine antunna. Talibani Hazara min Italia. So Talibani is two students, two male students. So it should be huwa for huma, huwa Hazara, huma Hazara. So it should come with the alif. So that is the word for this. It should be Hazara, not Hazara, because it's for, if it's one student Talibun, then it would be Hazara, but it's Talibani is two students. So two students, they came from Italy, Hazara. Like this, Watalibun Hazara min Mozambique. So this is the correct one. A student came from Mozambique. Watalibatani Hazara ta. Huwa Hazara, huma Hazara, hum Hazaru, hiya Hazarat, huma Hazarata. So this is for two feminine, Talibani and Talibatani, two male students and two female students. So for two male students, it's going to be Hazara. For two female students, it's going to be two Hazarata. This ta. Min Hispania, two female students came from Spain. Again, Ana. When Ana comes, it should be Fataha. So if we go through the table, huwa fataha, huma fataha, hum fatahu, hiya fatahat, huma fatahata, hunna fatahna, anta fatahta, antuma fatahtuma, antum fatahtum, anti fatahti, antuma fatahtuma, antunna fatahtunna, ana fatahtu, nahnu fatahna. So I said ana fatahtu. So this is fatahtu. I opened door of the classroom. Okay, now this we corrected fail al madi. Now question number 7 is sahil fail al madare. Correct the present tense. Same thing. Atullabu yazhabu. So atullabu, the students, is the masculine plural. Huwa, huma, hum. So is hum. We can't use yazhabu here because this is for huwa. Huwa yazhabu, huma yazhabani, hum yazhabuna. So the correction is Atullabu yazhabuna ilal mahadil basi. So it's yazhabuna. The students, they come to the institute bil basi, by bus. At-talibatani yashrabu shaya. So this is two female students. So it should be huma. So let's start from for huwa first. Huwa yashrabu, huma yashrabani, hum yashrabuna, hiya tashrabu, huma tashrabani. So for two dual, two feminine, it should be tashrabani. At-talibatani tashrabani ashaya. The two female students, they drink the tea. At-talibatu yashrabu ashaya wal kahwata. So this yashrabu, it is a talibatu. This ta you see at the end, that means this is a female student. Yashrabu we can use for huwa, which is the male student. So we cannot use for female student yashrabu. It should be tashrabu. Hiya tashrabu. Huwa yashrabu. Hiya tashrabu. So this should be tashrabu, not yashrabu. At-talibatu tashrabu ashaya wal kahwa. The female student, she drinks tea and coffee. Al-mudarrasatu yashrahu darsa. Again, this is the lady teacher, al-mudarrisatu. She explains the lesson. So sharaha yashrahu, this comes for huwa. For hiya, it should be tashrahu. The lady teacher, she explains the lesson, so it should be tashrahu, not yashrahu. At-tullabu yadrasu, huwa yadrasu. Again, this is for whom. Huwa yadrasu, huma yadrusani, hum yadrusuna. The students study lugatin mukhtalifatin, different languages. So it should be yadrusuna, because it's for tullab. Nahnu yakhzuru bil basi. We come by bus. So yakhzuru, it is for huwa. We need to use the verb for nahnu. So let's go through the whole table. Huwa yakhzuru, huma yakhzurani, hum yahzuruna. Hiya tahzuru, huma tahzurani, hunna yahzurna. Anta tahzuru, antuma tahzurani, antum tahzuruna. Anti tahzurina, antuma tahzurani, antunna tahzurna. Ana nahzuru, ana akhzuru, nahnu nahzuru. So should be nahzuru. Nahnu nahzuru. We come by bus. So it should not be yahzuru, it should be nahzuru. Ana yarkabul basa. I ride the bus. So again, it is incorrect because yarkabu is for huwa. And the verb is rakiba yarkabu. Huwa yarkabu, huma yarkabani, hum yarkabuna. Hiya tarkabu, huma tarkabani. Hunna yarkabna. Ana anta tarkabu, antuma tarkabani, antum tarkabuna, anti tarkabina, antuma tarkabani, antunna tarkabna. Ana arkabu, nahnu narkabu. So it's gonna be arkabu. I ride the bus. As-sualu saminu aynal ijabatu sahihatu. Where is the correct answer? So three options are given. One of them is correct. Example, misal, at-tullabu fi ghurfati shai. The students. So the verb is jalasa. So which of this form we need to use? Let's look at this at-tullabu. So is students is more than two students, because students is the plural. Is not one student, is not two students, is more than two students. So that means this is for whom. The pronoun is whom. The students sit in the cafeteria or the tea room. So jalasa is for one student. Jalasu is for whom? For all the students, masculine. And jalasna is for all the students, feminine. So this tullabu is masculine, so we will use jalasu. So this is the correct one. This is the correct answer here, jalasu. Similarly, again, at-tullabu, they write al-basa, maful, they write the bus. So yarkabuna, yarkabani. So the yarkabani is incorrect because this is for two students. Yarkabna is incorrect because this is for all the feminine student, but this is for masculine students. So for masculine student is yarkabuna. Antuma, this is for you both. So the verb is, so in the previous one the verb was, let's start from the first. So the verb was jalasa yajlisu. So here rakiba yarkabu, present tense. So here the verb is kataba yaktabu yaktubu. So this kataba is, so now we're talking about two people. So antuma, dual. So katabtuma, that is a correct one because this is for antuma. Katabu is incorrect because it's the third person dual, is for huma. We're talking about second person here. And yaktubu, this is also incorrect because this is for huwa. So for if you use fartuma, it's gonna be katabtuma. So the file is tuma. So the correct answer here is katabtuma. Antuma katabtuma darsa. You both wrote the lesson. Antum al-ana darasa yadrusu, study. So is about antum. So daras tadrusu is incorrect because darasa yadrusu is for tadrusu is for anta, is not antum, so is incorrect. Yadrusna is incorrect. This is for hunna, so we have to use the verb for antum, so it's gonna be tadrusuna. This wow is represents the file. So now you study a new language, lugatan jadidatan. Al bintu, the daughter, so is about al bint, so is feminine. So huwa, so we can't use kataba here because kataba is for huwa. Katabtu, we can't use katabtu because katabtu is for ana, this two here. So for al bintu, feminine, it should be hiya taktubu. She writes the homework, al wajiba. Al bintu, she writes the homework. Nahnu, so for nahnu we can't use yafhamu, he understands. Tafhamani, you both understand. Nafhamu, so this is the correct one for nahnu. Nafhamu, we understand the life in Cairo minashari'i, from the street. Kharajat talibu, the boy, the student left. Wa nazara, because we can't use yanzuru, but this is the past tense, so we have to use the past tense here. Yanzuru is the present tense, you can ignore it. This is also present tense, you can also ignore it. So kharaja talibu, the student left. Wa nazara, and then he looked. Ala nasi wa sayyarati, looked at the people and the cars. Okay, question number 9. Abda bil faili, begin with the fail. So when remember that when a sentence begins with the fail, then it has to be the the fail should be a singular form. Just like take this example: At-tullabu hazaru ilal mahadi. The student came to the institute. So this is jumla ismiya because it's starting from the ism at-tullabu. But if you make this sentence jumla failure, then you have to start it from the fail. So you will say hazarat tullabu ilal mahadi. The students came to the institute. So you see here, in the case of jumla ismiya, you had to use hazaru for whom, at-tullabu. But for jumla failure, if you are starting from the fail, then you have to start from the singular form, which is hazara. You can't start from hazaru. So this is the difference. This is the file here. Okay, now Talibani hazara min Asbania. So this is correct if is in this form, jumla ismiya. But if you're gonna start from jumla fi'liya, so then it's gonna be hazara. Is not hazara, is gonna be hazara. Hazara Talibani min Isbania. The two students came from Spain. So Salasu Talibatin hazarna min Argentini. Three female students, they came from Argentina. So if you're gonna start from jumla, make it jumla failure, then you're gonna say singular form here, hazarat. So you're gonna say hazarat. Hazarat salasu talibatin min Argentina. The three female students came from Argentina. So even though this is talibatin, we're gonna start from the singular, hazarat. Atiflani, the two children, Yadrusani, they study in fil madrasati, in school. So even though is two students, but we're gonna use the singular form, darasa. Darasa tiflani fil madrasati. The two students, they studied in the school. It should be atiflani. It should not be darasa. It is a present tense, so it should be yadrusu. So let me make a note here. So it should be yadrusu. Yadrusu atiflani fil madrasati. The two children, they study in the school. Nahnu nashrabu shaya. So again, this should be yashrabu. Yashrabu, you will say so in this case, in this case, you can say, if you want to make a past tense, you can say nashrabu shaya. We drink tea. So you don't need to use nahnu here for the, if you want to make a jumla failure. At-talibatani dakhalata ghurfat ash-shayi. The two female students, they entered the cafeteria or the tea room. So if you want to make a Jumla Fi'liya, then you will start from dakhala, the singular form. Huwa dakhala, hiya dakhalat. You will say dakhalat. Dakhalat atalibatani ghurfatu shaya. So I have used here dakhalat, dakhalat. Dakhalat at-talibatani ghurfat shaya. So this is how you can convert this into Jumla Fi'liya. Question number 10. As-su'alul ashiru uktubil fe'la. Write the fail. So al-mahadu yaftahu abwabahu fi sabahi. The institute, it opens its doors in the morning. Nazara talibu al-nasi was sayyarati wal buyuti. The student looked at the people and the cars and the houses. So is nazara. Atiflu nazara, again nazara, you can use Kamal and summa rakib al basa. The student looked at Kamal. So, and then he rode the bus. So the verb you can use nazara. Al antum al ana, you can use here tadrusuna lugatan jadidatan mukhtalifatan. Now you study a new different language. وَتَدْخُلُونَ حِيَاةً جَدِيدَةً, and you enter into a new life. At-talibatu, so you can use here yashrabna because this is the feminine plural. At-talibatu yashrabna kahwa. The female students, they drink kahwa. At-talibani yadrusani ad-darsa. The two male students, they study the lesson. Question number 11. So aswal hadi ashara ratib, just we have to, the words are scattered, we have to put in the proper order. Like this is the example. Kasira tadrusu arabiya munzu al-lugata mama. So you can start from the verb darastu. I study al-lugat al-arabiya. So then first the fail file darastu, I study. So tu is the file. So you can start from fail file darastu, I study the Arabic language. I studied Arabic language munzu wamin kasiratin, for many years. So that is the correct order. Now here you have naumahu akhaza al-fasli ala fi talibil mudir. So now you have to use the first fail, which is akhaza al-mudiru. Then the manager took what he was taken over by naumahu, his sleep. Fil fasli ala talibi. So this is the correct order I have written here. Akhazal mudiru naumahu. The manager took his sleep in the class. Ala talibi, upon the student. So this is the correct order. Here you can use antum tadrusuna lugatan mukhtalifatan. So antum tadrusuna 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in this case you have to start from the fail. Kharaja atullabu, then file min al fasli. The student came out from the class. So you're gonna start from kharaja, number 1, then number 2 the file, then min al fasli, anything that will come after. Again here is the present tense. Yata'allamu, the speak. So yata'allamu at-tullabu, the students speak. Al-azkiyau, number 3, the intelligent students speak. Yata'allamu, learn, you can say. Fil madrasati wa fi shari'i, in the school and in the street. So so the order could be the order should be here like this. This number 1, this number 2, and then this is the naat for at-tullabu, number 3, and then fil madrasati 4, 5, wa fi shari'i, then 6 and 7. So this is the order. Nafhamu, we understand. What we understand, the life of Cairo. Al-hayata, so number 1, number 2, fil kahirati, 3, 4, minas shari'i, from the street. Okay, so in this case, Najib Mahfouz Kataba, you can start from Kataba. So number 1, Kataba Najib Mahfouz Qasasan, he wrote a story. Jamilatan, 3 and 4, a beautiful story. A story about you can say Misra, about Misr. Fish, fee. Okay, so let's try again. Kataba Najib Mahfouz, Katib Mahfouz wrote Qasasan Jamilatan, a beautiful story. Okay, Anis Shari'i, about a street, fil Misra, in Misr. So he wrote a beautiful story about the street in Egypt. So this is what the order will be. Kataba, fail first, then Najib Mahfouz is the file, and then Qasasan Jamilatan, beautiful story, is Maful. Then about the street, Anis Shari'i, and then in Misr, fi Misra. So this is how the order should be. Question number 12. Aswalu Sani Ashara Haza Hiwarun Baina Bazu Tulabi Fi Hujrati Shai Akmilil Hawar. So this is the dialogue between some students in the cafeteria. Complete the dialogue. So somebody is asking, Kaifa tahzuruna ilal mahadi? How do you come to the institute? So the other, they are responding, Nahnu nahzuru bil basi, we come by bus. And then wa anti maza tarkabina. And they're asking wa anti feminine student, some girl, maza tarkabina, what do you ride? So they are asking somebody, a female, that how does she come? She says, Ana amshi baiti karibun, I walk because my house is near. Then some other students say, Nahnu namshi aidan, we also walk. And then someone says, Hal baitukuma karibun, is asking two students, that is your house near? Baitukuma, kuma is for two. What they say, naam, yes, they will say naam, baituna karibun. They will say, yes, our house is near. Then some students say, Nahnu nakhuzu sayyaratan, we take the car. And then some student is asking, Aina taskunu, some asking some female student, where do you live? Uh, sorry, this is taskunna, so more than one students. Is not taskun, is taskunna, is for antunna. Where you all female student, where do you live? They say naskunu fi il haram, we live in Haram Street. Wal ana maza tashrabu, and now what do you drink? Tashrabu. Hal tashrabul kahwata, do you drink coffee? Naam, yes, ashrabul kahwata, I drink coffee. So that completes the dialogue, that completes the lesson also. So lesson number 3. So we will start from lesson number 4, al usratu, from so lesson number 4 will start from we'll start next time, inshallah. I'm gonna stop it here now.